Presenting from General Trias, our candidate number 1, Diana Kim.
Hi, Diana.
Hi, Will.
Of course, our
Hi,
good
sir.
friend, Surrounding Santiago.
Good afternoon.
Okay. Diana, this is a question and answer portion. If you have to understand, do you want me to ask you in English or in Tagalog?
Any po.
Any? Parang any chatter. Any. So, but anyway, okay, here we go. We have some questions here. But you know, for me, kasi iba ngayon para malaman nyo, dapat in tayo sa mga nangyayari.
Tama.
Is that right, Mr. Santiago?
That is correct,
Itong
Mr.
tanong
Revilla.
na to ay very, very, very intelligent and hard question.
Tama.
Okay.
Yan.
As in, scientific name natin. Kita mo? Galing mo.
Yan, yan.
Patulong ka na kasi sa ating mga, okay. Ito kasi, ang tanong na to, medyo ito ngayon yung mga uso ngayon, plantito at plantita.
Tama yan.
Do you know that?
Yes.
Okay, so are you familiar with the plantita and plantito?
Yes, I'm familiar.
Okay, that's good. Okay.
Pakitaas lamang po para
Yan, yan.
narinig kami maayos.
Okay. Alam tataas? Ay, yung mic? Okay. Okay, tama. Hindi, tama. Okay. But anyway, here is the question. It's called, it has a scientific name of Mimosa asperata blanco.
That is for you, Lee.
That's a question. That is the scientific name.
Yeah.
Would you like to answer, to ask what is that?
No, later on we will be giving that the answer of that.
Ah, that's right. I forgot.
In the meantime,
That's
we are
right.
talking
That
about.
that is bit for you and me.
I know.
I'm so excited. I'm sorry about that. Here's the question pala. I'm sorry. Here we go. Okay. Can you do this for me, please?
My goodness, what's happening to you? Hindi. Ito, Tagalogin na natin para sa mga nanonood sa kanila. Kuya Will, ito kasi, nauuso ngayon ang mga plantito, plantitas, di ba? Namimili tayo. At marami talaga ang mga into plant.
Mamaya yan.
Yeah, mga bumibili ng mga.
Yun muna ang tanong mo.
Okay. Ito. Ano yung ba tanong ngayon? Number 1? Ano dyan? You won!
Tinay, malaki pa naman kata intelligent co-host. Tinay.
Ako ba yun?
Huwag mo
Ikaw
pakita,
yun.
naninilip.
Okay, here's your question. Bilang isang babae, okay lang ba sa'yo na ang boyfriend mo ay may close na best friend na maganda at sexing babae?
So, ibig mo sabihin, may boyfriend siya. Ayan, pa-explain ko sa'yo. And then, meron siya isang best friend na babaeng maganda at sexy rin. Ano daw mararamdaman? Is it okay with you?
For me, it is okay for me because I'm not insecure about myself. I am confident about myself. And if my partner truly loves me, kahit gaano pa kaganda at kasexy yung best friend niya, it does not matter.
So, kumbaga sa'yo, okay lang yan.
It's totally fine po.
What if sabihin niya, babe, alis lang kami ni best friend ko. Pupunta kami ng Hong Kong.
Uy.
Kasi wala siyang kasama. Di ba?
Oo.
Okay lang ba sa'yo?
For me, if talaga mag-best friend sila, it's okay for me. No malice.
Okay. Babe, siya nga pala, isa lang ang kwartong available. Babe, okay lang ba sa'yo na magkasama kami?
Oh.
Di ba? You trust me naman.
Yeah.
Okay ba sa'yo?
Babe, okay lang ba? Kahit i-book na lang kita ng ibang hotel.
Fully book, nagpa-book na kami. Babe, okay ba sa'yo, babe? Paano? Pero best friend lang kami. You trust me, babe.
Sige, I trust you this time, pero make sure you don't destroy my trust.
Ganda naman.
I will not destroy you.
Maganda. In other words, very confident si Diana sa kanyang
Totoo ba
boyfriend.
yan sa tunay na buhay? Baka naman dahil sa TV lang yan. Talaga, papayag ka ng ganon? Di ba mahirap naman yata yun? Siyempre, dalawa lang sila sa kwarto. Di ba? Papayag ka?
Ikaw kaya mo, Kuya Willie, kung sakali mangyari sa'yo, merong babaeng makakasama.
Ako, boyfriend mo,
Oh.
you should trust me.
Yeah.
Talagang, ano ba? May kiliti ako dyan.
Huwag dyan.
But anyway, that's a very good answer. Palapakan po natin.
Ganda.
Mr. Yana Lakim from General Trias. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Hayang. Tatanungin ko pa naman kung anong klase. Kung sa kaso.
Hello mga kapuso! Ako po si Ipon. Minabati ko unang-una dyan mga kaipo natin, mga kaskwami ko dyan. Nagustuhan nyo ba ang video na to? Marami pa kaming inanda para sa inyo. Mag-subscribe lang sa Wowin YouTube channel. Tsaka Don't forget to hit the, the bell button para lagi kang updated. Yun lang.